Let's talk about solving inclined plane problems. So we're trying to derive an equation for the normal force, and we're also trying to derive an equation for the force of gravity. Now, we know that this block's going to have a weight force that points straight down because gravity pulls objects downwards. So what we can do here is we can actually draw a component which is opposite of this vector here, but equal in magnitude, and we can draw a component that is opposite to this angle over here. Notice here that we actually form a right triangle, and you'll actually find that this triangle is like triangles with this one. And what that means is that they both have the same angle. So if we treat this as the adjacent side, we can calculate it using whatever the magnitude of our hypotenuse is and multiply it by the cosine of theta. Likewise, to calculate the opposite side of the triangle, which is opposite of this angle, we can use the sine function. Notice that these two vectors are the same, and notice that these two vectors are equal but opposite. So what we can do is we can actually set these vectors here equal to this vector here and this vector here. And since this vector here is going to have to be the same magnitude as this one if it's a normal force. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take all the places I see my weight force and replace it with this mass times gravity, and these will be the final equations. I hope you found this video helpful.